This is Monika Zagrobelna. Welcome to Envato Tuts Plus tutorial how to create an action in Photoshop. If you know how to make Photoshop actions, you have a powerful tool in your hands. Actions let you create magical Photoshop effects with a single click, saving you a lot of time and effort. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create an action in Photoshop so that you can design your own effects for pictures. First, you need to have some sample image that will help you see the effects of the action. Open it in Photoshop. Open the Actions panel. You can find it under Window, Actions. To create a new action, click the white card icon on the bottom of the panel. Give the action a name. If you want to be able to play this action with the press of a button, you can assign a function key to it. The action is being recorded now, but don't worry, there's no hurry. Photoshop records your actions only, and it doesn't care how much time passes between them. Let's show Photoshop which actions we want it to save for later. First, create a new layer. You'll notice that your action has been automatically added to the list in the Actions panel. Let's fill this layer with some color. When creating an action, it's better to avoid tools that are based on clicking on the canvas, because if you play the action on an image with a different size, it may not work properly. Always try to use something as universal and foolproof as possible. So instead of using the Paint Bucket tool to fill the canvas, go to Edit, Fill. Let's do something fun with this layer. Right-click it and select Blending Options. This panel is often used in Actions because it's full of switches and sliders that you can use to heavily modify the layer without having to point on anything on the canvas. First, drag Fill Opacity down to 0. This will make the fill color invisible. Check Gradient Overlay and click it to see its settings. Change the gradient to a rainbow. Change the angle of the gradient to something more interesting. Finally, change the blend mode to color. This method lets you apply the colors of the gradient to the image below without modifying it. If you like the effect, press OK and stop recording by clicking the first button in the Actions panel. And that's it! Our action has been recorded and saved. If you want to use it, just click the Play button. You can test it on many different images. A properly created action will give you the same results regardless of the photo you use. To give you a better idea of how Photoshop actions can be used, here's a few examples from Envato Elements. If you want to turn a photo into painting, it can be done with a single click too. This action uses custom brushes and patterns to create a convincing effect of an oil painting. It also organizes the layers neatly so that you can customize the effect afterwards. This action is a good example of a selective photo effect. Before you play the action, you must show the program which area you want to be affected. This is especially useful for portraits to create a different effect for the person and the background. Photoshop actions can also be used to create a comic book effect. You don't have to be able to draw to create something that looks like a nicely stylized drawing. Just find a good photo, select the character, and click play. If you want to give your photo a vintage feel, it can be easily done with many types of actions. This set has 20 of them, and each of these actions will give your photo a unique style that brings old cameras to mind. But photo effects don't need to be all about photos. You can create a real poster from start to finish with a carefully prepared action. This action turns a photo into a neat illustration that can be used as a retro-style poster. Now you know how to create your own Photoshop action and what they are capable of. This was Monika Zagrobelna for Envato Tuts Plus. Thanks for watching.